My name is Naseem Hrab, and I'm the author of a new picture book called The Sour Cherry Tree. It was illustrated by Nahid Kazemi and published by Owl Kids Books. This story is based on my own experiences growing up and not sharing the same languages as my grandparents. My mother's family is from Iran, and my father's family is from the Ukraine, and I don't speak Farsi or Ukrainian. So it was interesting to come up with ways to relate to my grandparents and share love, whether it was with food, games, or laughter. In this story, a little girl walks through her Baba Buzurg's house after he passes away. Now, Baba Buzurg is the Farsi word for grandfather. I'm not entirely sure I'm saying it correctly, to be honest, so I'm gonna throw it to my mom for her to say both Baba Buzurg, grandfather, and Maman Buzurg, grandmother.
Baba Buzurg, Maman Buzurg.
As this little girl walks through her Baba Buzurg's house, she picks up different objects and walks through different rooms and remembers all sorts of moments that she shared with him. And what really makes this book special is Nahid Kazemi's artwork. It is just stunning. She used chalk pastels and pencil crayons to create all this lightness and warmth. So what could actually be kind of maybe a sad or maudlin story is quite beautiful, warm, and shiny. What makes this story even more special is that it also has memories of my own father in it. My father passed away when I was in my early 20s, and I hadn't visited my childhood home for maybe, 12 or 15 years. So part of this experience of this little girl walking through the home remembering things is actually based on my own experience of walking through my father's home and remembering things about my childhood. What I hope people will take away from this book is the fact that you don't have to share language to share connection. And I'm going to say that again. You don't have to share a language to share a connection. You can relate to people in your world, in your neighborhood, at your school, in so many other ways. It can be with sharing a smile. It can be with a handshake or a hug. There's just so many ways to relate to other people. So I hope you enjoyed learning about the Sour Cherry Tree. I hope you get the chance to read it. It will be available from your local bookseller, online, or at your local library. Thank you so much for watching.
از بینندگان عزیز تشکر میکنم. That means I am thankful to those who are watching me.